2015, I created CoH product line, and since then, we developed more and more CoH product lines like PCIe CoH, it is slim type PCIe, standard 0.8 mm pitch hybrid CoH, 0.65 mm pitch hybrid slim CoH, 0.6 mm pitch mini CoH GenZ connector that follows industrial specification SFF TA1002, and the latest, also the highest density product line, which is double density CoH. We call DDCE. It is a 0.8 mm pitch connector, but can be considered as 0.4 mm when in application. CoH family is hybrid power and signal card edge connector, supports high speed up to 32 gigabit per second and high current up to 100 to 120 amp per connector. The slim 0.65 mm pitch design is for higher density applications. Its open pin field contact design, modular housing tooling that provide design flexibility for power and signal application. For the new double density CoH connector, before we developed it, we spent almost a year voice of customer to collect feedback for what customer really want in the next generation system. Then, working with engineering team to develop a brand new, highly flexible, high density and high speed connector. Right now, we have more and more customer adopted double density CoH, a couple of which are supercomputer OEM customers. This connector can support board-to-board and board-to-cable interconnection. The maximum pin count is more than 400 pins, and it can support much more PCIe link than most of the connectors in the market. It is very critical and helpful to high throughput applications like big data and 5G. Being able to support high speed, high power, and control signal really helps customers to solve different aspects and requirements in one piece connector. For more information, please visit Amphenol website. Thank you.